Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best distillery kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to explore the world of spirits. With a distillery kit, you're not just buying a product, you're unlocking a journey of creation, allowing you to craft your own unique blends of whiskey, vodka, gin, or any other spirit that sparks your interest. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about distillery kits. Number 5. VEVOR 8 gallons alcohol distiller kit. This VEVOR alcohol still offers an 8-gallon fermentation capacity, perfect for gatherings. It can handle up to 30 liters of raw materials, making it ideal for sharing with family and friends. All parts are made of food-grade materials, ensuring safety and quality. The distiller kit features an open cooling method with a copper coil for fast heat transfer. This design ensures a lower distillation temperature, and the rubber pad aids in cooling. This system helps to efficiently produce your desired spirits. The kit includes a real-time thermometer on the lid, displaying both Celsius and Fahrenheit. This makes it easy to monitor the wine's temperature during distillation. It allows you to have precise control over the process. Food-grade silicone tubes are used for flexibility and a tight seal, preventing bending. The lid features 4 buckles and silicone gaskets for a secure seal. A one-way exhaust valve is also included for safe fermentation. With this alcohol still, you can create a variety of spirits, such as whiskey, wine, and brandy. It works with various heating methods, including gas stoves and electric ceramic heaters. The possibilities are endless with this versatile kit. What we like. This still's large capacity is perfect for those who love to entertain. It allows you to produce a significant amount of spirits for parties or gatherings. If you frequently host friends and family, this is an excellent choice for ensuring you have plenty of your homemade creations on hand. What people say. It's well made, easy to set up, and works exactly like it should. The stainless steel feels heavy-duty, and the condenser stays cool with a simple water setup. Excellent beginner still. Also compact enough to fit on a stove, in a small kitchen. Very easy to assemble even for non-handy inexperienced. Number 4. DIY Gift Kits Gin Infusion Kit, 20-piece set. Discover the art of mixology with this kit. It transforms ordinary vodka into a personalized gin experience. This kit includes everything needed to create a unique gin cocktail. Unleash your creativity with this homemade gin kit. It features 6 distinct botanicals, a stainless steel flask with funnel, and 2 glass bottles. This complete set ensures a seamless and enjoyable gin crafting journey. Perfect for gin lovers of all levels, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cocktail enthusiast. This kit simplifies the process. Enjoy the craft cocktail experience with easy-to-follow instructions. This gin gift set is an ideal present for birthdays or special occasions. It offers a creative and thoughtful gift for men and women. Surprise gin lovers with a personalized gin botanical experience they won't forget. Embrace the joy of crafting with this kit, designed to unlock your inner mixologist. Let it rest for 24 hours and explore new flavors in cocktails, making it a rewarding hobby adventure. What we like. This kit offers a unique and engaging experience for gin enthusiasts. It provides everything needed to craft your own personalized gin. If you are looking for a creative gift for a friend or family member who enjoys cocktails, this kit is an ideal choice, offering a fun and rewarding experience. What people say. Being able to customize the flavors from the amount and number of botanicals I want is a really attractive feature. The strainer funnel makes the whole process easy, and having 2 bottles, also included, makes it easier to play with the mix to fine-tune your blend. It comes with 2 glass bottles, funnel, a flask and a very educational, for beginners, packets of herbs along with clear instructions and different recipes. Number 3. Seeutek 5 gallons alcohol distiller kit. This alcohol still kit comes with a user manual and an online video tutorial. It includes all necessary parts, making setup straightforward and providing great value for beginners. The distiller is made of premium stainless steel, ensuring it resists corrosion and is easy to clean. Its smooth surface prevents residue buildup, and it supports liquid testing. The extended copper coil design boosts cooling efficiency. The water pump rapidly circulates cooling water, which speeds up the production process. The sealing system, with a seal ring and washers, prevents gas leaks. Welded handles on the distiller keep raw materials secure, minimizing waste and making cleanup easier. This kit works with various stovetops, including gas, electric, and wood stoves. It's suitable for DIY brewing of different liquids, enhancing the crafting experience. What we like. This distiller is designed for ease of use and efficient brewing. It comes with a user manual and video tutorial for easy setup. If you are a beginner looking to start your distilling journey, this kit's straightforward design and included resources make it an excellent choice for getting started quickly. What people say. Great for doing batches of essential oils. The size takes longer for cooking time, but it's a nice slow and steady stream once it's up to temp. Easy to separate it through the cooking stages. This still is well made, perfect for beginners or small home distillers. I am impressed with the quality for the price, and it was delivered very quickly. Number 2. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit, DIY Flavored Spirits. Want to craft your own unique spirits? This kit allows you to infuse any alcohol base with natural, high-quality ingredients. It's perfect for anyone looking to explore new flavors. The kit includes 12 different infusion materials. You can create delicious combinations to suit your taste. This innovative kit offers limitless customization possibilities. Impress your friends and family with your homemade creations. This kit is a great way to elevate your cocktail game. They will love the unique flavors you create. Discover new and exciting flavors. With this kit, you can experiment and create spirits that are truly unique. It's a fun and creative experience. This kit comes in a nice gift package, making it ideal for any occasion. It's a thoughtful and unique gift for men or anyone who enjoys spirits. Plus, the stainless steel filter, funnel, ice cube and glass bottles are dishwasher safe. What we like. This kit allows you to create unique and flavorful spirits using natural ingredients. It offers a wide range of infusion materials, allowing for endless customization. If you like experimenting with flavors and enjoy creating personalized drinks, this kit will let you explore new tastes and impress your friends. What people say. Beautifully packaged, lovely decanters. It simply looks expensive and elegant. The kit comes with a great variety of natural ingredients, and the packaging is really well done. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and feels like a personalized cocktail experience. Number 1. DESENNIE 13.2-gallon Home Brewing Distillery Kit. This kit has everything you need to start your home brewing journey. It includes a boiler, condenser, and thumper keg, all made with food-grade materials. It's easy to clean and perfect for both beginners and professionals. The pure copper coil tube quickly condenses vapors into liquid. A submarine pump increases efficiency and saves water. The thick silicone tubes ensure a smooth water flow, preventing any crimping. The 3-piece airlock prevents outside air from entering during fermentation. This BPA-free airlock can be easily disassembled and cleaned. It ensures a pure and safe brewing process. The thumper keg helps vaporize the alcohol for a second distillation, increasing the ABV. It's also perfect for adding fruits or flavorings to modify the taste of your product. This distiller is suitable for water, fruit wine, brandy, whiskey, vodka, and rum. Get creative and make all your favorite drinks with this kit. With practice, you'll become a master distiller. What we like. This kit is built with high-quality materials and designed for efficient distillation. It includes a thumper keg for enhanced flavor and a 3-piece airlock for improved fermentation. If you are looking for a kit that offers both quality and advanced features, this is a great choice for producing high-quality spirits with enhanced flavor profiles. What people say. The overall build quality of this distilling kit is excellent. It feels solid and durable, with materials that seem to be of high-end quality. Putting the kit together was a breeze. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and I had it assembled and ready to go in no time. What I really like about this distilling kit is that it can be used for more than just distilling. It's a versatile tool that opens up the potential for different projects, whether you're distilling, infusing, or experimenting with other types of liquid processing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.